In this video, I'll show you how to install GTA Vice City in laptop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So there are a couple of ways to download GTA Vice City in your PC and laptop, but the method I recommend you is to install Steam app in your computer. It is a very popular site. From here you can purchase games and install them in your PC or laptop. So all we need to do is search here Vice City in order to install this game in your laptop. Once you search it, you will see the GTA Vice City in the first place. Open it, and now all we need to do is scroll down here and tap on add to cart, and it will be added to your cart. We need to tap on view my cart in order to see it, and here you can see this is the price of the game, and here you can see it is a definitive edition game in which you will get GTA San Andreas and GTA 3 along with GTA Vice City. So we just need to tap on continue to payment in order to purchase the game, and here select your payment method. You can see multiple types of payment methods are available here. Select your payment method and then fill up this form and tap on continue, and then your game will be purchased on your Steam account. Once you purchase the game, your game will be added on your Steam library. To see that, we need to tap on library, and here you can see this is how your game will look like here. Open it, and then you will see this blue install button. Tap on it, and then it will show you this window. Here click on install, and it will start installing this game. Now to see where your game is downloading, tap on this download icon which is in bottom. Once you tap on it, it will show you all the information regarding your game download. So I am not downloading GTA Vice City, that's why this game is downloading. I have just given you an example. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.